Hi, I'm Sarah Elengorn, and today I'm going to be introducing you to the neighbourhood of Fluvial Vallarta. Fluvial is a contemporary suburb located between the airport and downtown Puerto Vallarta. Centrika is a condominium development located on the northern end of Fluvial Vallarta, close to all the main avenues. This development has a fresh, modern concept and an innovative design, with the highest quality construction materials. There are 36 units in the building with 4 different floor plans to choose from, including 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and 2 bedrooms plus den. All units have large terraces with ocean, mountain, or city views. The building also has lots of privacy, with controlled access 24 hours a day and beautifully landscaped grounds accessible only to its residents. There are 8 floors and an elevator. There is a heated pool and jacuzzi, a garden area, a barbecue, 1 parking space per unit, and deeded storage units are available. There's also an administrative office on site. Centrika is located at the midpoint between the airport and downtown Puerto Vallarta. Just 5 minutes from beaches, shopping centres, pharmacies, hospitals, schools, restaurants, parks, and other areas of interest. Whether you're looking to buy your first home or purchase for an investment, Centrika is a great option, with prices starting at $109,000 and construction due to be completed in December 2021. Contact Elengorn Realtors for more information about properties in Fluvial Vallarta.